In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about bar graphs. So it's just a quick introduction on how they look and how to read them. So if we have a problem that says, Mr. Wright's class talked about which pets each student has at home. They decided to prepare a bar graph of the data. The graph below shows how many students have of each kind of pet. And then the question is, which pet did the students have most of? So you just have to get used to reading these graphs. So down here, it shows the kinds of pets. So this is labeled pets down here. So there's dogs, cats, hamsters, and fish. And then over here is the measurement of the number of students that had each kind of animal. So let's figure out how to read this. So if we look here, for dogs, this bar reaches 8 here. So the number of students that have dogs is 8. Then for the green one, that one's cats. And we could look here at the top of the bar, it reaches 6, the height of the bar. So 6 students have cats. Then if we take a look at hamsters, we go to the top of the bar and follow it across till it hits here. And we could see that the number of students that have hamsters is 3. And then finally, for fish, again we go to the top of the bar and we go across and we see that 5 students have fish. So the one that the students have most of is dogs, 8. So the answer is dogs. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just review it again and it'll make sense because practice makes improvement.